Hello everyone and welcome back to English Explains. Today I come with this hard math question and try to solve by your own to feature in our shortout list and comment whatever your answer is. I will give you shortout here. So what we have 80 divided by 4 parenthesis 2 plus 3. So here we have to solve this 80 divided by 4 2 plus 3 which equals to 5. Okay, now 80 divided by 4 times 5 that is equal to 20 and 80 divided by 20 which equals to nothing but 4. So do you think this is the right answer? Okay, no, this is the wrong one. So what is the right answer? We will solve here. We will write again 80 divided by 4 times 2 plus 3. According to the PEMDAS, first we have to solve this parenthesis part first. So what inside here 2 plus 3 which equals to 5. Okay, 5 here. So we will write again 80 divided by 4 times 5. This is nothing but we can rewrite as 80 divided by 4 into 5. So many do like this, but what will be the right way? We have to solve this division first because division and multiplication have the same priority and have to solve left to right. So first we have to solve this operation 80 divided by 4. So what we get 80 divided by 4, we will get 20 as an answer. 4 times 2, 4 into 2 that is 8 and 10 20. So we have 20 times 5 and 20 times 5 which equals to 100. So here 100 is the right answer. Comment if you have this answer or whatever you have answer and try to watch and solve these videos. Thanks for watching.